Joseph Banks gave Daniel the serum. It's supposed to cure him, but he's not waking up right now.
Oh,
Daniel!
Geez. Daniel, wake up!
Joseph Banks, fix him!
He's not breathing. I think he needs CPR. Mouth to
mouth.
Yeah, Joseph Banks, give it to him.
Come on, Daniel.
Head tilt.
Wake up, Daniel.
Right on his lips. Oh, he's up! Daniel!
Hey.
Daniel, are you okay? How are you feeling?
Why am I laying on the ground here?
Oh my gosh!
Your accent! It's gone!
He sounds like normal Daniel now.
Good job, Joseph Banks!
Regina was the one who had an accent.
No, you
guys both had one.
It looks like my work here is done. I still must do some work on the serum for 715.
Because 715 is still super strong from being upgraded. So if you can make a serum that makes him less strong, that would make our lives a lot easier.
Okay, call me if there's any trouble.
How you feeling, Daniel?
So he saved me? I was talking weird?
Yeah.
Yeah, you both were acting super weird.
How did he cure us?
Soap rock? Soapstone
Yeah.
or something like that? I don't know. We had to go on this huge mission to do it.
So you guys pretty much saved me too.
Oh!
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Jeez, you got the hiccups.
Yeah, maybe you should go drink some water, Daniel.
Oh, yeah. I'll go get some water.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this has been such a crazy day. I'm gonna go check all the traps that we set up because PZ9 has betrayed us. He might be bringing Project Circle here to the safe house. So we need to make sure the safe house is protected.
Guess what? When we were on the mission to look for the botanicals, I used my backpack attack. I hit this hacker.
Classic V move right there.
I was just gonna say that.
But to my surprise, when I checked my backpack, I found tickets to the Blue Man Group.
Oh,
Blue Man Group, yes, I love them, V.
There was only 2 tickets, you guys.
Oh, sorry, Daniel.
Oh, it's okay.
I was thinking of taking Chad to it. Chad and I hasn't had like a date night in a really long time.
Well, me and Chad never had a date night in a while either.
But you know, like me and Chad are married. I feel like we need a couple's night.
Yeah, let's let them have their time.
Chad, I got a surprise for you. Free tickets to the Blue Man Group.
Really? I've always wanted to see them. I hear they like play the drums and do all this cool stuff and they're wearing blue paint. We should go on a date night.
That's what I said.
Just the 2 of us. We won't talk any YouTube. We won't talk about any hackers. We're just gonna have fun.
That sounds amazing.
Daniel and Regina, don't call us. Don't interrupt us. We're gonna be on a date night, so it's very important that we are not disturbed. Uh-oh. Blue Man Group, it's at the Luxor.
That's where Project Zorgo's headquarters is.
Yeah, look.
A black pyramid. Oh, man.
We can't go,
Yeah, you
right?
guys shouldn't go. Maybe we can just go watch the Blue Man Group. No hackers will know where that it's us. It'll be fine. We'll just go watch the show and then we'll come back.
It shouldn't be too dangerous, right? I mean, we're just having a date night. We can't let Project Zorgo just take over our lives, Chad.
They've already tried to ruin our YouTube channels. They've like deleted a bunch of my videos. They're not gonna ruin date night.
Don't worry about us. Me and Daniel, we got it.
It's okay, but whatever you do, guys, just don't mess with all my ninja gadgets.
Don't use a stove or anything. You guys might start a fire, and we need the safe house.
Yeah, we'll just start. All right, see you guys. Have fun, guys.
Have fun with the Blue Mans.
I think they're gonna kiss.
I think they're gonna get you. Okay, well, we gotta hold down the fort. I'm kidding.
The team is split in half. We gotta be extra careful and make.
Oh, goodness,
sorry.
you scared me.
And make sure nothing happens. PZ9 and his group of hackers could be on their way.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. That's looking great. Good job, Regina. Let's go over here to the other barricades.
They look wonderful. I'm gonna go check the security cams, make sure no one's coming to the safe house, because you never know who PZ9 told.
That's the bathroom, Regina.
After my bathroom break.
Oh wow, look at this nice place, V.
Wow.
Wait a second though.
Wait.
They got these cool posters on the wall, but this poster, I don't know how cool this one is. It almost looks 3D. Whoa, kind of freaky.
Yeah, the Black Pyramid.
Yeah, I can't believe we're inside the Black Pyramid right now, but we haven't ran into any hackers yet, so maybe we should just try to find a place to eat.
Yeah, that sounds good. Right before our date night. A date night is not complete without food, right?
Exactly. And I feel really bad that I didn't listen to your woman's intuition about PZ9. I can't believe he betrayed us. I should have listened to you, V. I'm sorry.
I was actually kind of liked him towards the very end there. And I welcomed him into our safe house, and then he just turns it around and betrayed us all over again. Like, why would you waste that?
Let's just not talk about work right now. We need to have a fun date night and just celebrate, eat some food, watch the Blue Man Group. Let's go.
Barricades look good. Tripwires are all trippy. Would you take a seat next to Peter Samuels here?
Okay, PZ9 definitely knows the location of the safe house, and since he's a bad person, he might have told Project Zorgo, and there could be like thousands of hackers coming here to burn this place down just like they did in California.
He was supposed to be my brother.
Is he really your brother?
It's gotta be a lie. He's just trying to get on our good sides. Oh, okay.
That was the front yard. Looks okay?
Yep.
You know what? I've been meaning to ask you, what's the difference between a calzone and a stromboli?
Huh. Let me look this up. Wait, why do we need to know the difference between a stromboli and a calzone?
Well, I'm just wondering, Regina. Geez, I just have a craving all of a sudden for like a nice spicy calzone.
Do you hear that?
What was that?
It's coming from the security camera.
Maybe one of the traps got triggered outside in the back?
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Is someone here?
Oh no. Get ready to fight, Regina.
Oh gosh, I know where Chad put all the traps. Daniel, you keep an eye on the security camera. Make sure no one is out to get me.
Okay, be careful, Regina. I'll be watching you on here.
Yes, this is gonna be a nice restaurant here. And,
Yeah, I can't remember the last time we ate just by ourselves.
I know, we always eat with the Daniel and Regina and they're slobbing all over their faces and I lose my appetite.
I know, Daniel get like food stuck in his like beard sometimes.
Ooh, yeah, and then Regina just eats with her mouth open and
Yeah.
food falls out. I'm just kidding, Regina, I'm exaggerating.
Okay, remember? It's a Chad and Pete
Yes,
time.
yes,
so,
yes,
so,
yes.
so.
Yes, exactly. And here comes the waiter. I will have the bean burrito and the crunchy taco. You're gonna have the peanut butter soup with smoked duck and smashed squash. The New York Matinee calls it a playful but mysterious little dish.
What? Well, I guess as long as there's hot sauce in it, I'll be fine.
Oh yeah, you'll love it. And then you'll also, then the red snapper with violets and pine nuts. I think that'll follow nicely.
What kind of place serves taco and all these fancy stuff?
This place, they got a really good menu here. Put the camera down. Let's just have a nice romantic dinner. There we are.
Wait,
Okay, look at that. Is that a hacker?
wait a minute.
They're wearing a black hoodie.
We get ready?
Oh,
Wait,
never mind.
oh,
Just
oh.
a normal person wearing a black hoodie.
Okay,
Chill out.
okay,
Put your
just-
backpack down.
Backpack attack, ready at any moment.
That's good. That's good. Let's just chill out
Okay.
here. We've been dealing with hackers for way too long. Every time we see someone in a black hoodie, we think it's a hacker.
Yeah,
It's not good.
yeah. Gosh, we're like just on high alert all the time. But okay, so yeah, what should we talk about?
We can go back to maybe doing a normal vlog like we used to. What's up, Spy Ninjas?
Yeah,
What do you guys want for Christmas? Maybe leave a comment down below.
yeah. Give me some ideas to get this guy. I don't know what to get you for Christmas.
Okay, I like that.
Last Christmas, our presents got hacked by hackers.
That's right. I got a balloon, which was kind of cool. Not really, but and then I popped it, and there was cat hair in it.
Wait.
Went all over, and it went in my face, and I got all allergic to it.
Chad, we did it again. We keep talking about hackers.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, we need help.
We're obsessed, I guess.
Yeah.
Here
Okay.
comes the
Oh,
food.
okay.
let's
All
just cut and let's eat our food.
Yes.
Oh, shoot! What did I click? Oh no. What's going on? What the heck? Oh no, where's the security camera? It was just there. Oh man, what did I push? It's gone. It's better if I just go outside and look for myself. I don't need to look at the security cameras.
Regina, are you okay out here? Oh, thank goodness.
Chad, he set up this trap with stun stars. And
Yeah?
the stun stars aren't here anymore. I can't find them. I looked everywhere.
Oh yeah, the stun stars with the wire. I was like wearing that before and Chad yelled at me. He was yelling at me for a lot of stuff before. I don't get it.
You had a weird accent, Daniel, but that's not the point.
The safe house is empty right now.
Oh my gosh, we have to go back in.
Yeah, go.
They must be inside. We gotta go back to the security camera.
Let's go.
I was trying to look at the security camera before and I clicked something and I lost it.
Daniel, we're back on.
Oh, nice.
Wait, let me zoom in. I think I see something. Do you see that right there, Daniel?
Yeah, what the heck? That
On the
wasn't like that
tripwire.
before.
Is it still there?
Oh, I don't know. Should we go look?
Since I know how to use the laptop, you go ahead and you check. I'll keep guard of the security camera.
Okay, all right, I'll go look. Regina, if you see me get like tackled, come out and save me, all right?
What the heck? Yeah, right there. What?
No way, is that what I think it is? It's a friggin' fanny.
The only person I know who has a fanny pack is.
C9. It's the moment we've all been preparing for. It's time for a battle royale, PZ9. I might lose, and I might lose badly, but I need to protect what's nearest and dearest to my heart.
Riveting speech, Daniel. Are you surprised to see me so soon?
PZ9, I never thought you'd show your face around here again.
Well, I have some unfinished business.
Yeah, the Blue Man Group's right down here. Woo!
Yeah. Oh, you know what? For Christmas, I can't wait to see my family from Minnesota. They're finally coming to visit us in Las Vegas. We haven't seen them for a long time.
Yeah, it has been a long time since we've been to Minnesota and seen our family. The only time I get to think of Minnesota right now is when I see PZ715 wearing that Vikings jersey.
Yeah. What is he doing wearing a Vikings jersey? He's
What?
from Wisconsin.
I don't know, it makes me mad, but he's way too strong right now, V. You're gonna fall off the ledge. There you go.
I need it for the height, you know, because Chad's so freakishly tall.
Yeah, I wish there was always a little thing for you to stand on when you're next to me. That would be really convenient for me. You're still too short though, look at that. There you go.
There we go.
Perfect.
Only like 24 inches to be your height, right?
More than that, I think. Okay, keep going. And you're gonna fall off the ledge. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'll just carry you to the Blue Man Group like
Thanks.
this.
This is a romantic date. This is what you do. You carry your wife like this, right?
Like you're a monkey on my back? That's romantic? Okay. You have a different idea of romantic than me, I guess. Oh, whoops.
Daniel, I wanted to apologize for locking you up a couple days ago. Yeah, it was nothing personal.
Well, PZ9, how could you say it's nothing personal?
You betrayed me and the whole Spy Ninja group and everybody who watches YouTube.
But I had to make that choice, Daniel. Was it gonna be the friends or the fame? And you know which one I chose.
You let all the YouTube views and all the fame go to your head, man. Friendship is worth so much more than that. Who cares about all the other stuff? Friendship is the most important thing. And we had such a great thing, PZ9.
Friends have their own motivations and goals. Money, you have full control over money. So isn't it obvious, Daniel? Money isn't gonna stab me in the back or break my heart.
PZ9, you know what? You're a crappy friend because you stabbed all of us in the back and you broke our hearts.
Maybe I'm about to break more than just your heart this time.
All right, let's go, PZ9. I'm gonna give it my all. This is it. Yeah, that's right. I've been training. Oh, you're scared? You're running away, huh?
Come back another time.
You scared of me, PZ9? That's right. Yeah,
That's right.
Regina, you were standing there.
I scared PZ9 away with the scary sword.
That's a huge sword, Regina.
Yeah, it's Chad's.
I thought Chad told you not to play with his ninja gadgets.
It scared PZ9 away. Come on.
Look, his fanny pack was right there.
He left it.
Maybe he's on his way to bring back more hackers.
Oh,
Go.
gosh. What do we do?
Let's go back in here.
Okay.
Lock all the doors.
Wow, that was a great dinner.
Yeah, that was so great.
All right, let's head to where the Blue Man Group is playing. I'm excited to see this show. You got those tickets, V?
Oh yeah, I didn't even tell you, Chad.
What?
I didn't get any ordinary ticket. I got backstage tickets to the Blue Man Group.
Backstage passes?
Yes, only the best for my best husband.
Your best husband, and hopefully your only husband, okay?
Yes.
Your best husband.
Yes.
You sure know how to compliment a guy. Oh, you're my best husband. Oh, you got 2 or 3 of them, or what?
I'm a little rusty of all these hacker things that's been happening. I don't really give blah blah blah. See, I can't even do it right
Okay,
now.
okay, you are a little rusty at talking too, I guess. Okay.
Yeah.
We gotta figure out how PZ9 disarmed the trap. He's gotta be one smart cookie to disarm it, right?
Yeah, how the heck did he disable that thing?
Oh, there he is.
Oh,
Okay.
he's sneaking up. Oh, he's about to walk over it.
Oh,
He stopped. Okay.
okay.
Is he taking off his,
That's his fanny pack.
Oh.
He's putting it on there.
That was it?
That's how he disarmed
He
it.
disarmed it like that?
Dang, his fanny got toasted.
Wow, backstage VIP passes. We're gonna meet the Blue Men too?
Hopefully. Phil, Chris, I don't even know their names. Oh, wait.
Wait, there's a hacker right here. Take a look. Is that a hacker?
Is that a hacker?
Is that a hacker?
Wait. Oh, no.
Oh, well, nope, it's just a regular dude.
Oh, no, he's just taking pictures.
Yeah, we need to chill out on this hacker stuff because not every person we see in a black hoodie is a hacker. So let's just take it easy, head to the Blue Man Group, and have a great show.
Yeah, we should like try to be romantic like a normal couple or like one of those famous couples, you know, like Jack and Rose from Titanic.
But Jack died in that movie. I don't want to be like that.
Oh, what about Tony and Maria from West Side Story?
I'm pretty sure Tony died.
What about Romeo and Juliet?
They both died.
Oh, just forget it.
Yeah, let's just be ourselves and not die. Okay, cool, let's go.
There's the backstage entrance, Chad. That must be the Blue Man Group right there.
Wait, down these elevators is the backstage to the Blue Man Group?
Yeah. I got my ticket out.
There's supposed to be a security officer here.
Yeah, gosh, lazy on the job. He's like sleeping or something. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir. I have the VIP ticket.
Let's see what else PZ9 has been up to. Oh, I got a notification. Oh, Project Zorgo just uploaded a new video.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, let's watch it.
What am I looking at here? I can't even tell.
Let me turn the volume up.
Yes, it is. We have some new merch.
Forget the video. Just listen to the audio.
You haven't seen this hoodie.
That's Chad and V's voices.
Oh no!
Wait. What are they talking about?
If you guys want any CWC merch, whether it's this
Merch!
or the new
Merch.
They're talking about the new merch we're wearing.
Oh, how did Project Zorgo get a hold of this audio? It's getting further away now.
That's not from our videos.
They somehow recorded us inside this house.
Oh gosh.
Does that mean Project Zorgo has...
Project Zorgo has ears. They're listening to us right now.
Don't say anything.
You're the one talking.
What about Chad and V? They're at the Luxor right now.
Oh no.
PZ9 was just here. He might be on his way back with a bunch of Project Zorgo members. We have to call Chad and V, Regina.
Okay, calling Chad. Ringing.
What's that?
Chad's phone out there.
No. He left his phone here. Oh no!